Hey, this is Dalton from Coyote Classics, and welcome back to another Wednesday lot walk around. We're going to check out some new inventory as well as some other cars we have in the showrooms. And big thanks to all our new subscribers for subscribing last week. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We do one of these every Wednesday, and inventory walk arounds almost daily. So let's check out what we got. We got a lot of stuff to get to, so we're gonna make it real brief in this showroom. And here we have mostly sold cars that are waiting shipping. Most of our customers buy from all across the country, actually all across the world even. So they're just kind of waiting to get shipped out in here. Got one going to Texas, Oklahoma, all over the place. But here's that 409 Impala we talked about briefly last Wednesday. That thing hit the site. We have that price now. We just did the video. So check that thing out. That's a great deal for somebody that wants a real super sport 409 Impala. Shay also decoded the trim tag on this, and this thing is exactly how it came from the factory. It's a factory super sport, factory red on red car with a white headliner, also from the factory, and it still has it. So very neat 4-speed 409 Impala. It's got a lot of balls too. So it's a fun car to drive and check out. Little Monte Carlo, new Corvette, all kinds of neat stuff. But we're gonna continue on, check out some new cars we got, and we'll hit up the other showroom and the shops as well. Here's a pretty little 68 Mustang. The 70 Chevelle sold yesterday. So right now the guys are moving a bunch of cars around to get this thing out. We had it kind of buried. So black 67 Camaro is gonna have to come out here for a few minutes. That car's awesome as well. Brant just pulled the Nova out, trying to clear a path to get that gold Chevelle out. Here's that Corvette. This one's finally clean, ready, and on the site. Finally get to see it with the top down. And that's a hell of a color combination. You don't see too many with the factory white with blue interior. It's a 4-speed car, factory tack, and pretty much all original interior. Numbers matching 350 horse engine. This is one of my favorite 67 Camaros that I've ever seen. Love the stance. It's a big block 4-speed car. Really sharp. I don't have Chad here helping me to open hoods today, but go on the site and check out all the photos and video on that. The 67 we also just put on the site. This car is just show quality. Under the hood, interior, everywhere on this car is beautiful. Another little Mustang coupe. Thing's beautiful as well. You can see how well that paint shines too. 73 Bronco is still available. We did sell the 68 green one that's sold and delivered. And it did not take long to sell our 17,000 original mile Chevelle. I'll put that thing up on Friday. Sold it at 8 o'clock on Monday morning. I'm kind of sad to see that one go. It's just a special car. You don't usually see them with that amount of miles. Nice little Tempest convertible for springtime. And then Chad put the torque thrust wheels on the Chevelle. I gotta say, I do like it. I like the dog dishes that were on there before also, but this just kind of gave it a different look, real sporty look. This is a numbers matching 396 car. Real super sport convertible. The 71 Mach 1 I think Dave just sold today, so unfortunately that one didn't last very long either. 69 Chevelle, 396 4-speed tuxedo black, and then a 69 Camaro RS 2-owner, yellow on yellow, beautiful. So all these cars you can see in more detail on our website, coyoteclassics.com. The link will be in the comment section. And on that site, you're gonna see a bunch of photos, pictures of the undercarriage, video, all that kind of good stuff. We jumped outside really quick to check out these cars that just came in yesterday. I don't know what Punxsutawney Phil seen when he came out of the hole the other day, but it feels like springtime here in Iowa. I'm excited for getting all this snow melted and get these things on the road. But we have a beautiful springtime yellow Mustang coupe that just came in, hasn't been checked in yet. None of these cars outside have went through the shop detail or anything yet. So you're getting kind of a sneak peek, but I moved this thing around this morning. Starts really nice. Sounds really good, beautiful interior. But this Le Mans, this one's another one that came in yesterday, as well as a Cuda that we're gonna check out here in a few minutes. But this Le Mans has a really neat story. Very, very original car. Comes with a full booklet, including photos when this thing was taken out of a barn a few years back. Just how original it is. It's got the original invoices, bill of sale, but the neatest thing is it has the original key tag in this binder. The original key tag that it had when it was sold brand new. So not often do you see that. But original interior, very solid. Front end was gone through. It had been repainted, but just a pretty neat car. Pretty little Ember Glow Mustang coupe, so a lot of Fords. But this Chevy is excellent. So it's a 68 Chevelle convertible, real super sport, 138 code. But the quality of this car, and it is dirty, did just come off the truck yesterday. It won't be out here long before we get it in the showrooms and in the shops, but $396. But you can just tell kind of the quality when you look at the inner fenders and under the hood. Just fantastic. Real super sport convertible, and the colors, what I'm in love with, especially once we get it cleaned up. I don't know what the hell he's doing right now. But interior's excellent. But when you look at the door jambs, this is what tells you a lot about the quality. See how they even brought that kind of, the rockers painted black, and they even brought that into the door jambs with just excellent tape line. Just perfect precision. Door jamb paint. Man, I'm so excited to see this thing clean, buffed out. But even more excited to take it for a spin. As we go back into the check-in bays, we got a 70 Nova back here. Mike's checking in and buffing. Really pretty color. I think this one has AC too. Yes, it does. Vintage air. This one's gonna be coming to the site soon. So we got a couple Novas, a really nice 74. This 70 that's coming in. And then of course that Burgundy 72 as well. Got a lot of parts in the trunk too. This thing's really sharp. The 70 Barracuda came in yesterday along with the Le Mans from a good friend of ours, Mark, up in Minnesota. This car is pretty special too. It's a 70 Barracuda, but rust-free California car, solid original interior. You just do not find these 70 Cudas. Original seats. This is what I'd say is a survivor car. Has had a repaint, this beautiful blue. It'll look great when Tim buffs it out. Just a little small block with air, but rust-free 70 Cuda. Good looking wheels on it. I'm excited to see the finished product with this one. Jay's got that 735 horsepower Chevelle in next for detail. Get this thing all shined up. It's finally coming along. By tomorrow, we'll have this thing looking like $1 million. Looks like Justin's doing the sold ticket on the 68 Fastback. This one sold this week as well. How's this thing coming along? Charging the air?
Got that all charged up running. Now I'm looking for vacuum leaks. So.
Good deal. Yeah, pretty car.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car. I like it.
Me too. You guys should love it. So that's all I have for us today, but as you can see, things are changing every single day. We have new cars coming in, cars getting shipped out. So check back next Wednesday. We'll see what's going on then. And again, thanks to all the new subscribers for hitting that subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Stay up to date on all the cars we have coming in. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.